Hi, I'm Catherine O'Donnell, horticulturist and entrepreneur. Today I'm going to show you how to prune a Schefflera plant. So we have a dwarf Schefflera here, and one of the most important things about Scheffleras is it can sprout from any one of the internodes. So one of the tricks is to pre-notch it. Well, what does that mean? We take a pruning shears and we take a little pie-shaped piece out of the top just above an internode. Well, an internode is where that leaf was attached, and at the base of the internode there's a tiny little bud that can then sprout out and make a new top. So as soon as you see that sprouting out, you can then go back with your pruning shears and cut off the top. Well, where can it sprout? This plant can sprout from any internode, so you can trim it above any leaf petiole, and you could do several on the same stem. On a giant-sized Schefflera, this is a very effective way to take those large growing tops off.